Hello, Creative Crafty Lovely. If you're a new subscriber, returning subscriber, I am so delighted that you are here. It's Thursday, so that's Project Share Thursday, and this open collaboration is hosted by Mary Allen's Crafts and Hauls. This week I decided to play with some button dice, and so this is all of the buttons dice that I have, and these two came within the collection. That's why I have them here. They came in within this collection, and then these little tiny ones I got from Scrap Diva, and then these two are the same, and I believe I got them from AliExpress, and then these right here I got in a D-stash. So let me go ahead and show you what I made. So here is the first set of embellishment tags, and the way these work is that you're supposed to use them and put them like at the edge of your paper like this and glue them on, but of course you can use them for whatever you want. I actually think that they would probably be really good as if you put a sentiment here and then use them as back toppers. But so here's the first set, and here is the second set. And these are actually going to be going out for a swap over on a Facebook group. And I just really enjoyed the way these turned out. Here is the last set. And what I decided to do for the buttonholes is I just decided to go in there and put a little bit of glitter. So that's a good way of using up your glitter. And then right here, I also used the glitter. But right here, I decided to go ahead and use some thick yarn. So this is what is going to be going out to my swap partner. And while I was cutting these, I decided to go ahead and cut a bunch of them out within the same color palette that I was using. And so, and I also have some scallop circles right here. But as you can see, it is just a bunch of different size buttons. My partner is also going to be getting a set of tags. I also created some of these just to use up all of the little scrap bits, and that way my partner can use these any way she sees fit. But I thought maybe it would be cute if there was a little button added on here or a little gemmy. And then I made this, but this is the leftover from these right here. So like I said in previous videos, I like to use up all of my scraps. And the last thing is that my partner's going to get is this 3x3 note card, and I'm going to leave it blank. That way she can go ahead and use it as she sees fit. And I'm not going to do a sentiment on this. That way she can use it for any occasion. But I just wanted to use up as much of this paper as I could. By the way, I do want to mention that these right here were 100% inspired by this right here. I was working on some of these, and then when it came time to make this project, I decided to use it up so that I can have just a little bit extra for my partner. If you would like a tutorial on these, let me know. That way I could get the sizing and stuff for you. But these are such a great scrap buster. And by the way, these right here were totally inspired by Michelle, who is Pink Strawberries, and I will link her original video down in the description below. If you would like to see all of the other participants within this collaboration, just follow the hashtag Project Share Thursday and feel free to join anytime. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you find happy little moments throughout your day. Bye.